Well, I entered last year and I enjoyed doing it there. I came bronze medalist from that, and it was really just the experience of being here and actually the camaraderie of being with everyone. You do tend to learn quite a lot about yourself and how you work and how to actually fix what you're doing. So it was just the enjoyment of last year that led me on to this.
There are 4 tasks. The first task is PC board design, which you have a software package where they design a printed circuit board on the first day, which is then sent for manufacture on the second day. On day 2, they do an assembly, which is a kit form, the soldering exercise. There are 2 soldering exercises, one surface-mounted ICs and more traditional integrated circuits. And then on the third day we have C programming and fault finding.
The pre-competition task was actually the thing I enjoyed the most because I'd never extensively played with the Ultium PCB design software, and having that given to me and to be able to explore all that actually increased my abilities as it is. Then again, you can also run into a lot of pressures at time, especially if you don't actually pay much attention to them, but I really loved those. And also the training we got from Premier EDA Solutions was fantastic.
We're looking for young people basically with a get up and go and interested in electronics and want to progress to where they are at the moment, more college students or apprentices.
My hints and tips for the competitors would be look closely at what you're doing on the Ultium software and the PCB design. That's where you're going to get the most pre-competition marks and what you can control and spend the most amount of time preparing over. If you don't get your track layouts right or your footprints right, it's going to show you up a lot later in the competition, especially when you might be asked to rework those designs later on. So get them right, do them time and time again, and get a manufacturer who can print the boards and be happy to print it a few times over.
The ideal competitor would be somebody who has what we call get up and go, self-motivated and interested in doing a good job, good quality, and just the specifications. We've given them specifications to work to, and this is what we're looking for, somebody who's self-motivated basically.
My advice for anyone registering to compete would be look at each of your tasks very, very carefully and take time to actually understand what's going on. If you rush through something or don't have the work prepared, you're going to land yourself in a world of trouble. So read the instructions, understand what you're going to be doing and take it slowly. That being said, in a competition environment, you don't want to be going too slowly.